Hello everyone! Today we're going to try out a new experiment. We're going to place an egg inside vinegar. So what do you think is going to happen? So for this experiment you're going to need a few things. You're going to need an egg, vinegar, a glass cup, and remember this experiment is going to take time. It's going to take at least 3 days. And remember to do this experiment in a place where it's okay to make a mess and find a spot where it's safe to keep your egg. As you do this experiment and leave your egg in a safe place, you're allowed to look at it, see what's happening, take notes as the 3 days go by. Okay, let's go ahead and start our experiment. We're going to get our glass and our egg. We're going to first place the egg inside the glass. Be careful, we don't want to break our egg yet. We're going to cover the egg with vinegar, so about right there. And then we just wait for 3 days and see what happens. Hello everyone, welcome back after the 3 days of watching our egg. We're going to go ahead and take our egg out of the vinegar. Be careful because it doesn't have a shell anymore, as we can see. Isn't that so cool? So, what made the eggshell just disappear like that? Some things are just really good at eating, and those things are called acids. So what are some types of drinks that you know, or foods that you know that have a lot of acids? Maybe sodas, fizzy drinks, lemons, oranges. All these foods have acids. So whenever we place our egg in the vinegar, the acids started eating up the eggshell. So whenever you were checking on your egg, there was a whole bunch of tiny bubbles forming onto the egg, and that was the vinegar eating up at the eggshell. So what is keeping our egg intact at this very moment? What's keeping it together? It's a thin covering called membrane, and the membrane is allowing us to see right through the egg. So what else did you notice about our egg? Well, it did get bigger. Our egg expanded. So our egg expanded. And that's because vinegar is very watery and egg isn't watery. So the water from the vinegar went straight through the membrane and into the egg, causing it to grow. And this is because it wants to create more of an equal balance between the two. So let's think about our egg in a different liquid. Maybe corn syrup. Corn syrup is really sugary and thick. What do you think would happen to our egg? Would it expand? Would it shrink? What would happen? So our egg would shrink because the corn syrup is very sugary and less watery. So the water from the egg is going to move straight into the corn syrup, creating the balance.